6 Ayurvedic spices for a happy gut. Ayurvedic spices that boost digestive strength. We have a tendency to incorrectly vilify certain foods. The real culprit may not always be the foods themselves. The real culprits are underlying digestive problems. In Ayurvedic medicine, a number of herbal remedies can increase the body's ability to digest food and raise the metabolic process in general. A higher metabolism produces more heat in the body, especially in the digestion process, and toxins can be burned up naturally before they start migration throughout the body. This metabolic heat or process is called Agni in Ayurvedic terms. Agni is the action of the metabolic process that actually breaks down and transforms food. Carminative herbs and spices help rekindle Agni, or the digestive fire, cleanse the body, and enhance the flavor of the meal. In Ayurveda there are 6 digestive spices that have been used for thousands of years with incredible success. They are fennel, coriander, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, ginger. Fennel decreases bloat, relieves flatulence and other gastrointestinal woes, reduces cramping in the stomach, relaxes digestive system muscles. Contains vitamin C, an anti-inflammatory, which improves regular digestion and strengthens the immune system, which is largely located in your digestive system. Vitamin C also aids with iron absorption. Contains volatile oils to relieve gas, bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Highly recommended for those with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Coriander relieves anxiety, relieves insomnia, helps with digestion, reduces acne, acts as a diuretic. Cumin stimulates the secretion of pancreatic enzymes vital to healthy digestion. Contains potent antioxidant properties. Enhances liver detoxification. Cardamom, used to heal teeth and gum infections. Help resolve throat problems. Assist with respiratory congestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. Used for stomach aches, constipation, and dysentery. Traditionally used in India, China, Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. Turmeric contains antioxidant polyphenol curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Used as an antiseptic for cuts, burns, and bruises. Used for digestive health problems including irritable bowel syndrome. Thought to prevent UV skin damage. Currently under trial in 4 U.S. National Institutes for Health for treatment clinical trials for its benefits against Alzheimer's disease, pancreatic cancer, multiple myeloma, and colorectal cancer. Ginger aids the digestive tract by toning muscles in the intestine. Stimulates the breakdown of food particles. Promotes motility in the gastrointestinal tract and assists in transporting food and other substances out of the intestines. Helps soothe gas pains. Helps digest and metabolize fats. Relieves common stomach pains. May help relieve nausea due to pregnancy, chemotherapy, and anesthesia. What is Ayurveda? The healing tradition of Ayurveda teaches that health and well-being depends upon our ability to digest everything we take in from the environment. This includes not only tangible substances like food and drink, but also our experiences, emotions, and the impressions we take in through our senses and skin. Agni is the Sanskrit term for the digestive fire that breaks down the food and other things we ingest from the environment, assimilating what is useful, and eliminating the rest. This holistic system of natural healing sees food and medicine as complementary rather than separate, allowing us to harness the benefits of the food we eat every day to help keep us balanced, grounded, and happy. Heal the gut to heal the body. All disease begins in the gut. Hippocrates said this more than 2,000 years ago, but we're only now coming to understand just how right he was. Research over the past 2 decades has revealed that gut health is critical to overall health, and that an unhealthy gut contributes to a wide range of diseases including obesity, rheumatoid arthritis and other autoimmune diseases, autism spectrum disorder, depression, chronic fatigue syndrome, and more. How strong is your digestive fire? Whether we are coping with weight issues or uncomfortable GI symptoms such as bloating, gas, or indigestion, often the underlying root problem is weak Agni, or poor digestion. Unfortunately, in Western medicine, we aren't trained to ask the key question: how strong is my digestive fire? Curry powder and garam masala. Curry traditionally refers to a category of Indian and Southern Asian dishes that incorporates meats and vegetables with certain spices. However, curry also commonly describes the spice blend, which contains turmeric, coriander, cumin and other spices in various proportions, depending on the tastes and traditions of the place where a particular curry was developed. Besides adding zest to your diet, curry may offer some health benefits for your digestive system. Basic curry recipe. To make a basic curry, combine 5 tablespoons ground coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons ground cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 2 teaspoons dry mustard, 2 teaspoons ground fenugreek seeds, 1 1/2 teaspoons ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon ground chili peppers or cayenne. Makes about 3/4 cup. Traditionally used for arthritis, asthma, digestion, bronchitis, to keep a healthy metabolism and libido. Helps lower blood glucose and cholesterol levels. Cinnamon helps reduce cholesterol. Cayenne pepper, mustard seeds. High in omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, selenium, tryptophan, phosphorus, manganese, dietary fiber, iron, calcium and vitamin B3, niacin. Anti-inflammatory. Protect against gastrointestinal cancer. Have been shown to reduce asthma and migraine severity, lower blood pressure. Help to relieve insomnia related to menopause. Ayurvedic garam masala, easy way. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1/2 tablespoon coriander powder. 1/2 tablespoon fennel powder. 1/4 tablespoon black pepper powder. 1-2 bay leaves, crushed to a fine powder. Mix all the powders and store it in an airtight glass container. This lasts for up to 6-8 weeks. To bring out more flavor in your dishes, you could lightly dry roast the spice mix before adding it to your dish. This is completely optional. 9 healing benefits of garam masala. Fights disease and builds immunity. Effective painkiller. Slows down aging process. Promotes weight loss. Increases ability to absorb vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Relieves gas, heartburn, and soothes upset stomach. Lowers blood sugar levels. Reduces bloating and aids in detoxification. Fights bad breath.